love, the real and the strong. Get ready for the great times coming along. Oh, I love all you guys, it ain't no surprise. I love it, it's for real. All cheering, clapping, always remind me of the wonderful people working behind me. Your time is now, take a bow, it's so amazing. 16 years, brother, it's time to celebrate it. Your love's for real now. You know that your love is my love, and my love is your love. Our love is in a song. What you think? That's in color. What you feel now? I think I need. What you know to be real. What you think? I think I love. What you feel now? I think I need. What you know? Got to be real. To be real, it's got to be real. Ang daming tao na aking kapiling, wala nang papalitan, ang sarap ng feeling. Kaya naman tayo masaya tumatagal. Tagpo po sa inyo, kayo ang aking mahal. What you feel now? What you know to be real? What you think? What you feel now? What you know to be real?
I've worked with Sharon many times. And yung pinakamalaking impact ni Sharon sa buhay ko, yung Lapids Chicharon na sinasamahan ng atsara. Yan. And na-introduce siya sa akin yun mga 2-3 years ago na hanggang ngayon, yun ang madalas kong kinakain. Well, I'm sure I am one of 65 million Filipinos who would like to greet her on her anniversary. She works very hard. She's a fine woman, fine actress, and it has been a pleasure just having got to share part of her life.
Yup! Mr. Edu Mansado.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Sunday evening live here on TSCS. Dito po from the Araneta Coliseum. Magandang gabi po.
Namiss mo yun, ano?
Namiss ko yun eh.
Matagal din yun,
Oo,
namiss mo yun.
Good evening, ladies. Namiss ko talaga yun.
Eh, siyempre, mga kaibigan, kaya tayo nandito ngayon sa Araneta dahil sa congratulations natin kay Shawi. Dahil siya ay naging Best Female TV Host 1994 sa Star Awards.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You know, this is bale my third
Yun?
as Best Female TV Host. And then the show, the Sharon Cuneta Show, won also last year naman as the Best Musical Variety Show. Well, this year, of course, I would like to thank very much the PMPC and the Star Awards, lahat po ng kaibigan natin na bumoto po para sa akin. Maraming salamat po. And the Sharon Cuneta Show will get better, lalo
Dapat.
na for next
Always,
year.
always.
And also, I'd like to congratulate all the other winners, especially my Ate V, Miss Vilma
Yes,
Santos. Ate V, I
congratulations.
love you. And to Vilma, congratulations. And Kuya, alam mo, hindi ko talaga mapatawad yung sarili ko ng Star
Ay,
Awards.
yan. Oo, napanood
Kasi-
ko yan eh.
Siya ang unang-una kong inisip. Pero I think pag talagang nagulat ka, nanalo ka uli, you go up on stage, you're trying
Nakataranta.
not to miss the other people. Tapos yung mga naisip mo, yung pa yung mga nakakaligtaan mong banggitin. But you know, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say a very special thank you to the most important part of the
Ang
Sharon
kapitan.
Cuneta Show family. Siya po ang aming kapitan ng
Oo.
barko, ika nga. At yan po ay walang iba kundi ang aking direktor, ang aking kaibigan, at isa po sa pinakamamahal kong nakilala ko sa tanang buhay ko. Wala pong iba kundi si Tito Bert de
Yeah.
Leon.
Woo!
Direk,
Congratulations!
I'm sorry, Direk, forgive me. Of all people. Talagang mahal na mahal ko yan si Direk. And he's really, para bang all these years since the Sharon Cuneta Show started, sa ibang istasyon pa tayo, talagang siya na po ang nandyan. At mahal na mahal ko talaga yan, si Tito
And
Bert.
Shawi, I understand, no? Nung tinanggap mo yan, kaya tayo nandito, lahat sila, iko-congratulate ka.
Nako naman.
Lahat ng nandito,
Lahat?
iko-congratulate ka. At syempre, meron pa rin isang special na taong magko-congratulate din sa'yo.
Ba? Sino naman yan?
Aba, tara, dadalhin kita ron.
Kala ko kanina
Dadalhin
eh.
kita ron. Dadalhin kita
Saan
ron.
tayo? Sa center stage.
Aha.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pasay City Mayor Pablo Cuneta.
Wow. Yan ang boyfriend ko.
Yo, syempre.
Yan ang orig. Yan po ang kung wala po ang daddy ko, wala rin ho ako dito. At ang mami ko, syempre. Daddy, thank you very much. Thank you, Daddy. And from my mommy, thank you, Daddy. And to my mommy, I love you, Daddy. Thank you. O, di man tayo
Oo,
makapag
ito.
Para naman kababalik ko lang, pinagbububuhat niyo ako.
Hindi, syempre, kailangan, sabi mo nga kanina, Shawi, this is, itong episode na to, itong special natin to,
Okay.
ito yung umpisa ng mga pagbabagong darating sa Sharon Cuneta Show, sa The Sharon Cuneta
Ito
Show.
talaga.
Oo.
And you know, I was gone for 1 month. I would like to thank all the wonderful friends of the Sharon Cuneta Show na nag-guest host sa ating programa at nag-guest sa ating programa as singers na lahat po kayo, I'd like to thank you very much. Ayan.
Kasama si Dudes doon, yung bumati
Oo,
kanina.
si Dudes. Nakita ko si Dudes. Lahat po nang nag-host nung ako po'y wala. And of course, last week, kailangan po namin mag-replay dahil pinaghahandaan po namin itong Araneta Coliseum show namin.
Ika nga, ito, Shawi, yung initial ng mga
Oo.
pagbabagong darating, yung mga
Ito.
magagandang mga bahagi pa.
Kagaya po ng stage namin, mga kaibigan, every week yan na po ang stage na makikita ninyo sa inyong TV sets pagka po pinanonood nyo kami.
Shawi, ladies and gentlemen, 16th anniversary na po ni
Oo.
Sharon.
Hindi po anniversary ng show yan.
Hindi.
Anniversary ko.
Sa show business.
Sa show business
Oo.
dahil po, magmula ng Mr. DJ noong 1978, 16 years na po akong nandito. Ako naman, may background pa ako.
Favorite ko yun eh.
Oh,
Favorite ko yun. Oh. Tsaka yung high school life.
high school life.
Naiyak
Lahat
ako
ng
ron.
gumagraduate hanggang ngayon tinutugtog pa.
Eh syempre, nandito lahat ng mga mahal niya. At syempre, nandito na lahat. Si Mayor, andyan yung mga fans. Kumpleto na tayo.
Oo, kompleto na rin ako dahil nakita ko na yung pinang-co-host ko.
Nandito siya. So, kumpleto.
Need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. What will it take till you believe in me the way that I believe in you? Don't go changing to try and please me. Never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in times of trouble. We never could have come this far. I took the good times, I'll take the bad times, I'll take you just the way you are.
I need to know that you will always be
of springtime that makes the lonely winter seem long. You are the breathless hush of evening that trembles on the brink of a lovely song. You are the angel glow that lights a star. The dearest things I know are what you are. Someday my happy arms will hold you, and someday I know that moment divine when all the things you are I couldn't love you
Any better?
I love you just the way
You
Mega partners Mel and Jay go heart to heart with the megastar up next.
This is Direk Joel wishing you all the luck in this world. Sana maging maligaya ka, matagumpay, at mas maligaya pa kaysa sa ngayon. Sana mas marami ka pang panahong igugol sa industriya. We need people like you. Remember, there are people that love you, and I'm one of them. I love you very much. I wish you all the luck in this world. Happy anniversary.
Maraming salamat din po, Director Joel Lamangan. Yan, si Director Joel Lamangan. Thank you very much po.
Hi, Shawi. Happy 16th anniversary sa iyo. And congratulations sa patuloy mong pagtatagumpay sa larangan ng pelikula at telebisyon. At sana makagawa pa ako ng maraming pelikula na ikaw ang aking star sa mga darating pang panahon.
At saka, alam ko marami kang ginawa sa industriyang ito. Naalala ko yung first movie ko with her. Naunahan pa niya ako sa set. I was on time, but mas nauna pa niya sa set. Hanggang ngayon, I respect her as an actress dahil kahit pa paano, dedicated niya sa trabaho. Saka hindi yan nalilate.
Nais kong batiin si Sharon sa kanyang ikalabing-anim na anibersaryo. Siya matagal na rin, no? Since we started yung PS I Love You no 1981. Well, keep it going. You're doing great, kid. Congratulations again, Sha.
Unang-una, gusto ko tambatiin ang happy 16th anniversary. Pangalawa, sana huwag kang magsasawa at sana magtagal pa ang pagsisilbi mo bilang chairman of the board ng Katipunan ng mga artista ng pelikulang Pilipino. Dahil kailangan ka namin, kailangan ka ng industriya. At sana tuluyan mo nang makita ang iyong kaligayahan. Happy anniversary again and good luck to you. More power. Shall we?
To Sharon, congratulations and happy anniversary. And congratulations to your wedding. Forthcoming wedding.